Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to plant a cactus. For this you will need a pot, some gravel or any type of crushed stone, and some potting soil and a shiny little cactus. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to add some gravel at the bottom of the pot in order to make it well draining, because cactuses do not like too much water and they can thrive very well in very little water. So they do not like too much water to stay in the pot. Now I will add some potting soil in it, and little more. This is enough, I guess. Now I'm going to plant little cactus in it. Press it a little bit and you can add a little more soil if you want. It's pretty enough. So this is very simple to plant a cactus. Thank you so much.